Yo, what's up? I'm Zach Williams, and the lecture that I'd like to talk to you about is Dr. Tom Murphy's Estimating Our Energy Predicament. This guy was, super smart dude from what I saw. And what he did was he used these Fermi problems to quickly estimate how our common misconceptions about energy and how he could prove these misconceptions wrong basically with one slide. And he used estimations like pi is 3, 9 is 10, but 2 isn't 3. It was awesome. And he spoke about water power, solar power, all these powers, and basically how they're just not good enough right now to meet the gasoline power, and how we're not going to have to make more energy, we're going to have to lower our energy demand. And this was all super cool, but like the part that really struck me was these problems he was doing. He was doing them so quickly, and he was just answering questions using like numbers off the top of his head, like circumference of the earth, and just crazy estimations. And one problem that he mentioned but didn't actually do is a real classic, and it's called how many piano tuners are there in Chicago? So we're going to do that problem. So like I said, these problems are really cool, and we can just use general numbers to make really cool assumptions. So this problem is a classic. I didn't actually get this problem. I found it on the internet on Wikipedia, but it is a good problem. So there are about 5 million people in Chicago. We can say that about 2 people live in each house. And of those houses, about 1 in 20 have a piano that needs to be tuned regularly, aka it's just, it doesn't just chill all the time. People want it to sound good. And we can also say that it takes about 2 hours to tune it. Well, that comes later. And if you want it to sound good, you need to tune it once a year. And yeah, so here we go. Let's do some Fermi problems. And any typos, that is my fault. Kind of rushed it. But each tuner works about 8 hours, 5 days a week, and we can just generalize that because that's an average person's work day. Doing this math, we get about 125,000 piano tunings per year if we use these nice round numbers. And that's the thing he was talking about, 9 equals 10, 3 equals pi. It's just, math is easier when you don't use precise numbers, and it's a lot more fun. As he said, we all know math is fun. And here you go. We're about to get the answer for how many piano tuners are in Chicago. There you go, 125. So yeah, that was just a simple little problem. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. Have a good day.